Vybz Kartel finally proposes to Sidem Ozturk and trolls had a lot to say. I honestly think that sometimes fans be doing too much. But what do I know, y'all be acting like you own the man and his decisions. Even this comment right here is giving I'm so miserable that a man actually is happy with a woman. Like British gal, rest your comment. He God saw that the man was alone and made Eve. What do you even mean by Kartel need to propose to God? And show me 222, what do you mean by so? Why am have to tape everything? Every event. None no private. Some of y'all are really late to the party or really don't know who Vybz Kartel is. As a Gaza fan before TikTok was created, Vybz Kartel is the definition of show and tell, just in case you didn't know. Well, you are not real Gaza fans, so you really don't know. If you ever watched previous videos of him in the media, you would see the things that he did back then is the things he currently doing now. Like that time when he talked about JPS being Jamaica Poo after they sent him a really high light bill of 71,000 Jamaican dollars, which he had paid. But they kept on sending him those types of bills, which his last bill came to 124,000. And he said he would send Mooney to pay half of the bill and query why his bill was that high. Bear in mind that happened after they realized that his name AdijaheimPalmer was on the bill because his name wasn't there before.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
So do you really know the Gaza boss? I really don't think you know him to say he posts too much because he's the show and tell boss. Speaking of show and tell, he also had a press conference and discussed his Freedom Street concert and also promoted his new alcoholic drink, the new Street Vybz rum. Vybz Kartel has always been promoting his Streets Vybz rum from back in the day, so he is more than an entrepreneur. And who else knows how to market anything more than him?
From Street Vybz to Straight Vybz, we have 4 flavors. We have the Ramping Shop, we have the Unstoppable, we have the Fever, and guess what the last one? Electric. So, this is Raheem and he'll explain more to you guys. Go ahead.
So now he has so many different Street Vybz rum, just remember to drink responsibly.
I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's my will make you rum, I must go get account and everything what they go on right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because he's in a big trouble.
Tavi Zoe seemed to leak her own sex tape, because now fans are finding out that she has a OnlyFans and subscriptions cost $50 US.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So for all of the people them right, so for all of the people them when I go over the pages and I just go over there right now and subscribe. That's all I gotta say. Like, and I just go subscribe. Like, when I'm disappointed for someone and say, oh, I'm disappointed in her, like, what am I doing that y'all ain't doing behind closed doors? Me just do it on camera because I want to. So like, no my life, I wanna life, I wanna life, I wanna. I wanna one? No, it's mine. I'm my own. I'ma stay good with it. So creamy and tight and everything there. So anyways, I'm gonna subscribe right now because I got new content coming for y'all. So okay.
Trolls and haters had lots to say, and this is what was said.
No, Tavi Zoe is the Jamaican female that is always in the media giving RJ bun. Until now, because this recently she started to post some videos on Twitter, which involves her, how can I say this? Ingesting, digesting, and regurgitating body. I already know what you guys gonna say. It's 2024 beta, that's not shocking. And big up Annie of the Bamboo. But what shocked many Jamaican online users was the fact that she is now a OF model. $50 for watch with RJC free? No thank you. I am not surprised because this is the natural evolution of all dollies. Beto, don't bud me out. But I could never that little body there make sure I go out so. That. overreact much. Tavi, you're so fatty. You don't feel like you start too late. Can't wait to see the league stills. I'm not happy. So Tavi, $50 yard charge. You forgot to say up free. But me never know say Tavi Zoe can act. Look how she a behave for the number 2 pencil. Number 2.
If you don't know who that was TikToker Beto Don, who always shares fans and trolls reaction on social media influencers. You can check his page out. Social media influencers Rochelle and Denier Walters have called it quits. Rochelle comes out and tells fans how Denier cheats on her after he stopped making YouTube videos with her, and how he brings his side chicks in her parents' home.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You violate my mother home space. But I never ever look, but I never did that. But I never ever violate your parents them home space. Never, brother. But I never ever did that. But I never did that. Man, I even know. I'm not. God, sometimes I'm not going to life in the car. That boy not really worth my tears, you know. God, he not really worth my tears, you know. He not really worth my tears, you know. I'm not too hurt because I went do cause I'm glad. I'm glad. I shouldn't know I'm glad say me walk away. I shouldn't know I'm glad say me make up my mind. I shouldn't know I'm glad you pain when I used to put my juice there. And when you say come, I bring woman to my mother place. It burned me out. It hurt me to my core. Yo, me glad say never the Atlanta car. Anyway, me did the Atlanta me at. You would have been what something different and God I would have to go. Forgive me because if me did ever the Atlanta Denier, if me did ever the Atlanta, God know reason why me there my mother right now. Me I tell like when I female them like the first setup, first thing will come out. You see any of the none of them come out, guys. And come bust out the secret. Like you picture them when me having on my phone and the video call where him and the girl them depan. You see any of them that did come out, come bust out. Me say we don't know that deal with me. You that worse than the first time. Okay, Moses. One on there. You that worse, you know that deal with me worse than the first time. But because this time God made me find out and come tell you no. You know want to bring me down. Congrats. Because I'm bringing down myself. I am a proud bring down girl. I am now a oven. Proudly free to tell you know what's going on. I'm so proud. You cannot bring me down. Because this time around, me find out, me ask God to show me and he showed me and I'm taking action. If you go over my Instagram, you see me really serve this man the divorce. And this man is trying to play mind games with me. And I don't even want to talk in business on here because I'm not that girl. But sooner or later, we find out for myself. I don't need to talk nobody business because I'm not like that. You know what's crazy, guys? You know, I have one friend would just tell me, say, for her husband, send her naked picture, go give her girlfriend, and say, look there, my wife I send naked picture to a different man, and I find out. I lie, you know? Just because he wants a girlfriend. I couldn't believe it. Anybody have my WhatsApp number? I post it on my WhatsApp. My friend husband do her that. I said, jeez, them money, I don't know what going become of them money, you know? And then Denier try to play a mind game for me about, oh, you never have to make the internet know nothing. Why? He made the internet come embarrass me. And now me come out and talk the truth. He might go say me need to make the internet know when do. But he want to do the things them. So me if he stay and be quiet and never did come out, come say nothing, and then till the girl them come out, come talk again and bring me down again. No, I'm not doing that. Black that Rochelle will share her life. No, I'm not doing that. So no can bring me down. I'm taking fully action as I say. When you can call me, all you know want to call me. But this time, baby, Anna, baby, me not stay with no man. When me forgive cheat for me, have a old baby for me and come back again in my eyesight, a foreign, you don't need to give me no more signs, sir. All if you did want me and you pretend like you want me, you don't need to give me no more signs, sir. You don't want me. Me want myself and you don't want me, but me want myself and me want my sanity and me want my strength for my pitney them. You don't want me, sir. Block. You don't want me, sir. And me too nice. She better give me my local flowers. But somebody say one thing, I am so me very young. Me have my whole life ahead of me. I don't need to settle for this. I don't need to settle for this. I am very young. Very young. Me have my whole life ahead of me. 26-year-old. No. I'm a good man. I mean, I wish him bad. Me just know saying calm I go reach him.
A mean who even does that? Cheats on their wife in her parents' house. These are the messages that Rochelle left on her TikTok stories for her concerned fans. You can pause to read. How embarrassing this must be, because this is not the first time for Denier to cheat on her, but men will always be men. Earthquake hits Jamaica yesterday Sunday and was recorded at a magnitude of 6.8. This had occurred at 11:49 in the morning. It was also felt in Bahamas, Cuba, and even the United States.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Guys, me I tell you, say 2 earthquakes just shake a while ago. Yeah, the first one did small. Me I wonder if it was an earthquake. But you see, when time I feel the second one just shake for a long while. Me I say when time I look on all the things them in my house, me just see them a shake. Earthquake shake up the place, guys. 2 nice size earthquake just shake up the whole of Jamaica. You understand more and more who feel it? Who feel the earthquake them? The earthquake they just shake up the place. Guys, remember so you for always pray. You know if you just pray when time the earthquake come a while ago. You know if you always a pray, always depend the praying. Because enough of them were there in a church. I go on with one bag of wrong thing. You know, sister, when time you go to church today, the earthquake shake you up a church. Shake you up a church. God shake you up and make you know say, yo, you know if you set up on the folly grounds right, shake you up. 2 good size earthquake just shake up the whole of the place. And more earthquake are coming, guys. So you just pray and firm up on the place. You just pray, guys, because more earthquake left to come. You understand? So all you know have to do is just pray and keep on yourself righteous, keep on your heart clean. You understand? Keep inside your mind clean, no think no dirty thing, no do no dirty liberty. Keep the place clean. Because a whole heap of rain a fall. Whole heap of rain a fall upon the place and it a break down the land. You understand? It a break down the land. You see me, everything a shift, you plate then shift and shake up the whole Jamaica a while ago. Shake up the whole place. Me I tell you now, me know what everybody supposed to feel their earthquake. Because who no feel the first one second one come for who no feel it in a real life. For who no feel it. So me I tell you no people, no say no prayer them every day. And on one time, whole heap of prayer no for settle in a real life. Amen.